Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're one of my subscribers and you're returning, welcome back. This is KeySphere, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys tips on things that you should and should not do when trying to become a brand ambassador or internet. Why is this so hard? Internet influencer. So if you want these tips, stay tuned. DM to collab smiley face. Now, for someone that's just starting, this is probably the most exciting comment that you can probably get on your Instagram photo if you've been putting out content and you're trying to get brands to notice you. But DM to collab smiley face, I can't tell you how many times I have gotten that comment. It's almost like it's a computer putting it out onto my picture. It's basically spam. When you first start getting those types of comments, it's exciting because that's what you want. You want brands to notice you. You want to do collaborations with them because you want to be a brand ambassador. You want to be an influencer on the internet. But the thing about these comments is that they're usually tied to online stores that are shady. The first red flag was that they all put DM to collab smiley face, which I never freaking want to see again. As a matter of fact, as I'm making this video right now, I got another notification for a DM to collab smiley face. The thing about these stores is that they have similar style of clothing that other online stores that Instagram might recommend to people who like to shop online. These stores don't have a lot of followers. That's the second red flag. The third red flag is that if they do post out pictures, they might get a couple hundred likes. That might mean that A, they're a new online store, okay, or B, they're not legit and not many people want to shop at them. So therefore, they're not a legit online store, and you don't want to tie your face to a company that is not putting out 100% satisfactory products all the time, because it's just a waste of your time. You need to know the brand. You're interviewing these companies just as much as they're interviewing you in a sense. They're looking at your content to see if you fit into what their company brand is, and you're interviewing them to see if they fit what you're looking for to represent yourself in the best way. You're putting just as much effort in a brand that's shady as one that you could put in a brand that's actually legit. Because by working with smaller brands, you're building up your content and your followers so that you can ultimately ultimately work with larger brands like Nike, Fashion Nova, Adidas, Morphe, Sephora, MAC, all of these brands. And you can't do that if you're wasting your time and money on what I'm going to call the DM to collab smiley face brands. And I'm going to give you guys an example. Is I did a collaboration with a online swimwear store, which was legit. They had a high follower count, 2 people, those followers consistently at a large number of likes, like the pictures that they post on Instagram, and they comment, and they have an online store. The brand was legit. So they DM'd me and asked me to do a collaboration with them. And this is when I was first starting. So obviously I was really excited, just like anyone would be. And of course I said yes. Now this was my mistake. I looked at their page to see that they were legit, but I didn't look to see if their brand would fit my look. And what I mean by this is when you look on the page, you need to look and see what type of people they pick to be ambassadors, if they look like you in a sense, because from my experience, the people did not look like me. They posted my picture not on their actual Instagram page, but in their story, because I didn't fit the look of the people that they normally post on their page. So they probably asked other people who are like me, and they posted them only in the story of their Instagram. Most people don't look on the story of Instagrams. So in a way, it was almost like as if I wasted my time. So when you're choosing a brand, you need to know the brand, know the look that they're looking for, and that's how you determine whether they are worth your time or not. Quantity over quality. When you post pictures, like I said before, your ultimate goal is to be noticed by brands. Now, anyone can put out several selfies if they're obviously pretty and they have a model-esque look. But what sets you apart from other people is whether you have the wow factor or not. And that's exactly what you need to do. You need to make people want to look. Goldie, go. I have done a video with my sister where we did a challenge for Jay Park, and he liked our picture. Another example is I took a picture with a hat from Pretty Little Thing. That is so simple. But it was how much effort I put into that picture that I got liked and retweeted by the CEO of the company. I did a gift wrap for my sister. I put together the album covers of NCT's regular album, and I made gift wrap out of it for Christmas. SM Global Gift Shop, which is in association with SM Entertainment, they liked my picture on Instagram. Those types of things, you need to put effort into the content you're putting out, and eventually people will take notice. So these are the three things, the three tips that I can honestly give you guys based on my own experiences of what works and what doesn't work when trying to become a brand ambassador. I'm not saying that I'm a major influencer or anything, but these are just things that I've noticed starting out that you can avoid from me telling you, because you'll already know it. So this has been another episode of KeySphere. I honestly want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that the tips and my thoughts and personal experiences about being a brand ambassador was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will answer them. And the next time you guys see me will probably be on the internet, and I'm going to be uploading another video probably in maybe 2 weeks to a month of a makeup look that I did earlier this year called Aqua, and the video is going to be the making of Aqua, so you guys can look out for that. But if you want to check out the makeup look, you can click the link below to my Instagram and go look at it. And while you're there, you can feel free to follow me if you like, and subscribe to my channel so that you guys can see that video of how I made that makeup look later. And until then, peace. Champagne and souffle, silk sheets where I lay.